Anomaly handling. What should I do if the food is overcooked? You need to shorten the cooking time corresponding to different foods, or check the food throughout the cooking process and remove the food when it reaches the desired degree of brown color. What should I do if the food is undercooked? Increase the cooking time, or put less food, or place the ingredients evenly so they are fried more evenly. Remember to use the crisper plate, or flip the food during the process when not using a crisper plate. What should I do with the error code? When a fault is detected, the machine buzzes 10 times and displays the fault code. E1 code is sensor break code. E2 code is sensor short circuit code. Please contact our service team at the first time.